Priscilla, thanks so much for taking the time to tell people about what you've experienced here tonight on Chiropractic. So really, I just wanted to kind of talk about what brought you in the first place, and how is it affecting your life?
Well, the first place would be headaches, migraines on a regular basis. I was on prescribed medication, taking it almost daily. And so I suffered from migraines a great deal and neck pain. And since I've been coming to your office, I no longer use prescribed medication. And I very rarely have the headaches, and I very rarely have a migraine, and almost never have a migraine. So the last couple of years have been really good.
Yeah, awesome. That's great. So when you did have the migraines before you started coming in, like when it was bad, was it the kind of thing where you had to be in a dark room, or what? How did that affect your life?
Well, I most of the time I could function, still go to my job, but I was popping pills constantly, drinking lots of coffee, just trying to do whatever I could to keep it at bay.
Okay.
If I could catch it before it became full blown, then I could just keep it at maybe a dull ache. But there were times when I would have to take some pills, sleep in a little bit. Maybe I'd miss out going to the gym because I had to take the time to kind of sleep it off a little bit before I could get to work.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And how was your state of mind when you had those headaches? Probably
not the best.
Friendliest person to be around?
No, probably a little bit cranky and lethargic because you're just on medication all the time.
Right. So now, I mean, obviously you mentioned that you're not having to take the medications like that anymore. You rarely are getting those migraines. How else would you say that your life has benefited since you've been here?
Well, it's not just the chiropractic care that I've benefited from. I've also benefited from the diet recommendations, just being able to eat healthier. The supplements that we take has made a big difference for both Jeff and I, my husband, because he suffers a lot of lower back issues, and he does really well coming here and we eat more paleo than we did before. Probably 80% paleo. We're working towards 100%. But, it's a journey.
Yeah.
And
like everything.
So we're working towards it. But we've made some big changes with our diet, our supplements, and our regular chiropractic care. That's really helped both of us a great deal.
And it helps you in what way? What have you noticed?
You have more energy. You just feel healthier. I have a lot of stomach issues, and so I don't have the stomach problems. And of course your body just doesn't have aches and pains.
Yeah, well, wonderful. Yeah. Well, thanks so much for taking a few minutes to share with me and with anybody who's watching this some of what you benefited from.
Absolutely, highly recommend it.
All right, awesome.
Thank you. Thanks, Dr. Brett.